Alright, a very good day to all traders and viewers. Welcome to this video, and this video is just focusing on how to set up your MT4, how to pull in your Fibonacci retracement level, your expansion level as well. We will first go through the slides, and this video is created in the preparation for our students who are attending our Trade Ideas live session, which is a one-day course that teaches people without any financial background to able to trade within a day. And of course, with that, we have 12 months of ongoing online and offline support. All right, let us get into business. I'll just go through it through slides, and later we'll go through a video transition, and I'll share with you how to do the setting on MT4. All right, so moving down to the next slides. Over here, we can see that it may not fit in frame, but most importantly, just get to see what's going on MT4 itself. Yeah, very important on that. So as you are getting your orders, this is very important. You can click the icon to engage a trade, or you can even hit the F9 button if you're using the Windows PC. So the first one is the trading lot size. One thing I love about MT4 is that it's very dummy proof. It helps me from time to time from keying in wrong orders. Let's say you're using some other advanced software that allow you to execute the order only once you key in things like a buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop to engage a trade. If you hit it wrongly, then your trade may go the opposite direction of what you intended to trade. So in MT4 itself is very straightforward. You go straight to market execution, and if you hit the buy or sell button right away, you engage a trade right away. The contract size is based on let's say you're trading one standard contract, one standard lot. You're trading 100,000 USD contract, and of course with leverage, it simply just meant that every 1 pip movement, your profit and loss is there about 10 USD up and down. Alright, so if you're trading 0.10, the fourth decimal place movement of most currency will be a $1 movement. And of course, if you are trading the dollar yen, then on the second decimal place is approximately 10 USD, depends on the exchange rate at the time. Alright, so if you are setting pending order, very simple, just choose pending order from this drop down menu, and choose if your buy limit, sell limit, buy stop or sell stop order. Simply just remember that buy limit, sell limit, you are placing order in favor of you. In short, right now let's say the exchange rate is at let's say euro dollar is 1.15. You want to engage a long trade at 1.1000, which is lower than the current market price. Then you should be using buy limit, and of course if you're setting higher than the current market price, you should be using sell limit. And of course, on the contrary, if you like to buy only at a higher price than the current price, in this example, let's say the exchange rate is 1.15 and you like to engage a trade at 1.1600, 100 pips later. So that you should be using a buy stop if you're looking for buying opportunity. Alright, and of course self stop, you are selling it below the current market price. These are usually used by breakout traders. Alright, so let us get into business. MT4 setup, there are a couple of Fibonacci we are using: retracement, extension, expansion, and time zone. Alright, so first step is to configure the Fibonacci retracement and extension. Find the icon on MT4 that has all the horizontal line that will represent both your retracement and extension value. And you just have to draw the line from point A to point B. Anywhere from the screen is fine. Just make sure that you see this little square over here. Right click it if it's selected. If not, you just double click it to show the square. And after you right click, just select the Fibo properties, and under the Fibo level, you should be able to see the default setting of 0, and the description should be 0 as well. So what you do, you just double click it and add this value in, and there are other levels we are setting in. So these are all the values you should be adding on to your Fibonacci retracement icon, both the retracement and extension value. Do note that there are additional level like 0.886 being added. There are additional value like 1618 being added. I mean 2.0, 2.24 and 2.618 for trading purposes. And of course, setting up the MT4 on the expansion, there will be 3 points. It looks something like this. You have to pull out from the manual because by default the Fibonacci expansion in your MT4 is not shown, which I'll share with you later on the is either on the transition or the second video. Yeah, so when I draw from point A to point B, I have to choose a point C as well, because this is more for a ABCD expansion, ABC, and you project the D price in the direction of AB. Alright, so once I selected it, same likewise, I have to double click, make sure I see small squares over here, which any point is fine. You just do a right click and go into expansion properties, the first one on the top, and just key in these values in. Alright, AB equals CD equals percentage dollar. What is important is the percentage in dollar. Alright, that will show you the value of the price when it's being reflected. Alright, so moving forward on the MT4, the last but not least is the Fibonacci time zone. Likewise for expansion, you have to pull it out as well. Just draw it 2 points, make a double click to see there's a small square showing up over here. Then you go into Fibonacci time zone properties, and of course last but not least, key in this value on Fibolive. You have your 0, your 1, your 2. Alright, so there are a couple of levels over here, 0, 1, 1.38, so and so forth, as the list as 10. So this entire list will be shared to my students, alright, who have attended our course. So you see the entire full list for the Fibo level, for Fibo time zone. And of course for 0, just put it as point X, 1 put it as point B, and of course this is a valid trade zone, 1.382, 1.618 is best entry, and 2 is your valid trade, so and so forth. That's all I have for you for this PDF version of the notes, how to set out MT4. It will be sent to your group chat, and of course coming up shortly on the next video, I'll be sharing with you how to actually set this value onto your MT4 itself. See you soon on the next video. And of course, for traders who like to learn Forex from us, just drop me a note, and myself or my team will get back to you. Remember always, plan your trade and trade your plan, and I will see you soon on the next video.